Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2017 Mazda 6. Alright, let's go ahead and start off by removing this here and this battery cover. Let's go ahead and put on the battery cover onto that, and let's pick up the battery and place it into its location. Alright, once you have the battery in its place, next thing we're going to do is put this battery bracket on. Drew a blank real quick. This just goes right underneath there. There it is. And then you'll do the same thing with this side, right underneath there. Alright, and the tools we're going to be using will be a 10mm socket to tie these down. Let's go ahead and tighten both of these clamps down. This one here and this one here. That one's pretty good already, actually. Just go ahead and tighten this one down. Make sure you secure it with a ratchet. Perfect. Now that battery is not going anywhere. Next thing we're going to do is remove this little battery terminal protector. And come on, you. Alright. We're going to go ahead and slip on the positive side. And we're going to go ahead and secure that down with the 10mm socket. Not too tight, just enough. Perfect. Put that cover on. Let's go ahead and grab the negative terminal and go ahead and slap it on there. And we're going to go ahead and tie this one up. Make sure it's nice and secured. Have AutoZone team right there. And just secure it not too tight. There it is. Alright, and we're set. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's go ahead and start this up. Perfect. There it is. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.